Hello everyone, welcome to a short video on how to make a delicious Nigerian style spice bag. You need 5 ingredients for this recipe: a tuber of yam, bell peppers, 1 kg of top sirloin, an onion, and the star of the show, my mesquite seasoning. You can substitute the yam for potatoes or sweet potatoes, and if you live in Calgary, the No Frills in Carrington now sell yams. Chop up the peppers, slice the onions, peel the yams and cut into strips. Wash and set aside in a saucepan. Season the beef generously with the mesquite seasoning for that bold and smoky flavor. Look at how gorgeous that looks, and it smells wonderful too. Now brown the beef, and here I'm using beef tallow, but you can use any oil of choice. Once the beef is brown, remove from pan and set aside. Next, add the onions and peppers, saute for a couple of minutes, and then add the beef. Give it a good stir. Meanwhile, the deep fried yams are ready. Toss them in a pan with some of the mesquite blend. Toss and shake. Add the beef mixture to the yams and mix well. Next, add the mixture into your spice bag, and voila, it's ready. Empty contents into a bowl, and there you have it, your Nigerian spice bag packed with bold flavors and a smoky cake. Try this at home. Thank you.